Hi guys, I hope all is well. So today we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2018. The session is May-June. This is question number 1. We look at rate, percentages, profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest and exchange rates. So let's get into it. The question reads, each week Leah works 5 days and is paid a total of $682. Each day she works from 8:45 till 12:15 and then from 13:15 till 5:30, or what 13:15 is actually 1:15 to 5:30. Calculate Leah's hourly rate of pay. First, we look at the first sentence to find the total amount she gets per day. So she gets paid $682 for 5 days. So you divide that and you get, let's do that, 682 divided by 5, we get $136.4. We get $136.4. Okay. Now let's calculate the total time she works in a day. So from 8:45 till 12:15, that makes up about 3 hours and 30 minutes. 3 hours and 30 minutes. And then from 13:15 till 5:30 or 17:30, this makes up roughly about 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, and then 45 minutes. So it is about 4 hours and 15 minutes. Yes. Yeah. Then you add these two. The total hours that she works is 7 hours and 45 minutes. Let's convert 7 hours and 45 minutes to decimals. So 7 hours and 45 minutes converted to decimals is 7.75. How do we get 7.75? Because we divide 45 by 60. So she works 7.75 hours each day. The total amount that she earns in a day is $136.4. Divide that by 7.75 to get the hourly rate. The hourly rate that comes out is 136.4 divided by 7.75 gives us $17.6. That is her hourly rate as she works in a day. Okay. The next part says Carlos buys a new bicycle. After 1 year, he sells it for $231. He makes a loss of 16% on the price he paid. Calculate the price Carlos paid for the bicycle originally. Okay. This price right here, he paid this amount after incurring a loss. I mean, he earned this amount after incurring a loss. So this should be equal to the amount in percentage after incurring a loss, which is 100 minus 16, which gives you 84%. So we need to find the original price, which is going to be 100%. And what is that? So X is actually equal to 231 times 100 divided by 84. So we'll get the original price that way. 231 times 100 divided by 84, and we get $275. $275. That is the original price of the bicycle. So you write 275 over here. The next part says the exchange rate between dollars and euros is $1 is to 0.44 euros. Henry changes $850 to euros for his holiday. He spends 260 euros when he is on holiday. He changes the rest of the money back to dollars at the same exchange rate. Calculate how much money in dollars he receives. Give your answer correct to the nearest dollar. First, let's convert the entire amount into euros. So if $1 is equal to 0.44 euros, $850 would be equal to what? So you simply multiply 850 by 0.44. I'll do that in the calculator. 0.44. 1 second. 850 times 0.44 gives us $374. 374 euros. 374 euros. Now out of this 374 euros, he spends 260 euros. So let's subtract that. 374 minus 260 we get 114 euros. Now he converts this amount back to dollars. So what you do is you divide 114 by 0.44 because initially you multiplied it. So let's see what we get. Divided by 0.44, you get $259. That is the amount he receives after converting them back. 259. He spent a lot of money. Okay. The last part of the question says Anya has $3,000 to invest in a savings account for 3 years. She can choose from these two accounts. Account A, Year 1 1.1% interest, year 2 1.2% interest added to the end of year 1 total, year 3 1.4% interest added to the end of year 2 total. And then account B, fixed rate of compound interest 1.3%. She chooses the account that will give her more money at the end of 3 years. Decide which account she chooses and find the amount she will have in her account at the end of 3 years. Okay, first calculate the amount of money she has in account A after 3 years. So for the first year, okay, she invested $3,000. So for the first year, year 1, you multiply 3,000 by the compound interest rate, which is 1.1%. That converts to 1.011 because you divide it by 100 and then you add 1 to it. So when you do this, you do 3,000 times 1.011, you get $3,033. Now for the second year, you multiply this total 3033 times 1.012 because it's 1.2%. So let's multiply this by 1.012 and we get $3069.4. Now for the third year, you do the same with this amount. So you multiply 3069.4 times 1.0, what was it? 14. So let's do that, times 1.014 and you get $312, $312.4. Okay, that is the amount that she has in account A after 3 years. Now let's look at account B. So in account B, she deposits the same amount of money, but this amount of money is compounded annually at a fixed compound interest of 1.3%. So you do 1.013 with the power of 3 on the top because it's 3 years. So let's multiply 3,000 by 3.013 with the power of 3 on the top, and it's 1.013. 3,000 times 1.013 with the power of 3 on the top, and you get $318.5. Definitely she makes more money in account B. So you write B and you write 3118.5. I hope this question made sense. The complete working of this question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.